Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Alok Jain, chairman of the Port Authority of Jamaica, announced that in an effort to boost economic activity in St. Thomas, which is rich in limestone and aggregates, the Port Authority of Jamaica is exploring the possibility of building a port in the parish to supply these materials to Guyana. This would lead to a reduction in the cost of transporting these materials to the oil-rich country, which is building out its road and other physical infrastructure rapidly. And as a result, Guyana has a high demand for these materials found in the parish of St. Thomas. Guyana imported US $47 million worth of gravel and crushed stones during the year 2023, an increase of 250% when compared to the previous year. Jamaican-based Proven Group Limited's 50% ownership in Barbados-based Roberts Manufacturing has resulted in significant growth over the last 5 years. Roberts Manufacturing growth is driven by ongoing investments to improve its operating infrastructure under the joint ownership of Proven Group Limited and Ansa McCall Trading Limited of Trinidad and Tobago. The 21-acre facility in St. Michael, Barbados, currently supplies products to 15 markets across the Caribbean, employing nearly 200 people and making a significant contribution to the Barbadian economy. For the trading period ending October 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Lasco Manufacturing Limited with 5,330,199 units represented 20.64% of market sales volume. JMMB Group Limited 10% variable rate Jamaica dollar preference shares with 3,267,682 units representing 12.65% of market sales volume. Wigton Energy Limited with 3,149,346 units representing 12.19% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $64.94 million purchased and US $66.43 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.19 per dollar, selling the US at $161.41 and buying the US at $160.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.71 per transaction, with selling at $116.08 and buying at $110.37. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.60 in profits, with selling at $215.94 and buying at $209.34. For our credit report tip of the day, start right now. The goal is to chip away at your debt and your interest. So rebuilding credit and getting out from under debt feels hard because the system rewards steady, small wins more than dramatic fixes. So win by showing up. Call a creditor to negotiate. Set auto pay to prevent new late payments. And cut one reoccurring expense this week so you can push an extra payment toward principal. Momentum is made from tiny, repeated victories. Take one now and prove to yourself that forward motion is possible. In this funded and focused feature, we want you to act now. Value flows to the woman who moves. Stop waiting for perfect timing and start creating momentum. Set 3 income targets for the next 90 days. Update your LinkedIn profile to show the results you deliver. Message one person this week who can open a door, and launch a short, sellable offer you can deliver in 30 days. Do these 4 actions and repeat them every week. That's how recovery becomes resilience. That's how you become funded and focused. Show proof. Ask for a quick testimonial. Track one win. Double down on what worked. You're not rebuilding slowly, you're rebuilding smart. Money follows visible value. Make yours impossible to miss. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.